Okay, now we're actually going to have some true identities to work on for the test. And once again, I would tend to think of things like in the reciprocals, quotient, or Pythagoreans. Seeing how I don't see any squares, I'm not going to think about Pythagoreans. And I can see this as a reciprocal very easily because look, if I leave cosine x alone, and I change secant to 1 over cosine x because that's what it's equal to, what's going to happen to these cosines? The cosines are going to cancel out, giving me an answer of just 1. All right? I worked that one. That's how easy it was. So we'll roll the screen up a little bit. Let's go ahead and screen up to here. There we go. One more. There we go. Now this time I'm looking at this one here. Like I said, in terms of sine and cosine is a great way to go. I'm going to leave the sine x alone. And I know that cotangent is the same thing as cosine x over sine x. And this is the same thing as being over 1. What's going to happen to those sines? They're going to cancel out. And so I do end up with an answer of just what? Cosine x. Roll that one up to right there, please. Go up one more. There we go. It's perfect. Oh, you know what? I see the squared here. And I'm looking at this here and I'm thinking, let's FOIL this. And remember, this is one of those a plus b's times a minus b, where you get the a squared minus b squared. The middle term is going to cancel out. If I FOIL this, first, outer, inner, and last, 1 times 1 will be 1. 1 times negative cosine is a negative cosine x. I'll go ahead and write it out so we can see it. The inside terms would be a positive cosine x. And the last terms would be a minus cosine squared x. You make a very good S there. Well, guess what's going to happen to these? They're going to cancel out. So I'm going to have left a 1 minus what? Cosine squared x. All right? And then if I have that, well, hey, that's the Pythagorean thing. That's actually equal to what? Sine squared x. So actually, I just worked those 3 identities right there. Okay? Go ahead. Thank you. That was 3 problems.